Marriott is hiring. If you've been searching for a remote job with great pay and incredible benefits, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Marriott's Customer Engagement Center, CEC, are offering a customer service representative position, and it's completely work from home. Plus, the pay is $17.50 per hour with opportunities for quarterly incentives and some amazing perks. Let's dive into all the details. You don't want to miss this. But before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us keep bringing you exciting opportunities like this one. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to hear about new jobs. Now, let's talk about the position. This is a remote role, but you must live within 100 miles of Austin, Texas. If you meet that requirement, you're already one step closer to landing this fantastic opportunity. Training starts on January 20th, 2025, and it's fully paid training. The training will run for 5 weeks from 12:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time, so you'll have plenty of time to learn everything you need to succeed in this role. After that, your shift will be from 4:30 p.m. to 1 a.m. Central Time. And yes, it includes weekends and holidays. But think about it, working from the comfort of your own home makes those shifts a whole lot easier. What will you be doing? This role is all about helping people. You'll be assisting Marriott's guests from all over the world with their travel plans. That means answering questions, making reservations, and ensuring they have a seamless experience. It's not just about taking calls, you'll also connect with guests via email and chat. Whether it's helping someone book their dream vacation or resolving an issue, you'll play a key role in building loyalty and creating raving fans of the Marriott brand. And the perks? They're amazing. Besides earning $17.50 per hour and getting paid weekly, Marriott offers a competitive benefits package. You'll have access to medical, dental, and vision insurance, a retirement savings plan with a company match, and even an employee stock purchase program. And let's not forget the travel discounts, because who doesn't love a good getaway? Marriott makes sure their employees are taken care of, and that's one of the reasons why they're such a great company to work for. Now, let's talk flexibility. If the January start date doesn't work for you, don't worry. Marriott frequently recruits for additional training classes. So if you're not quite ready now, you can still stay in touch and apply for future opportunities. Before you apply, make sure you have what's needed for remote work. You'll need a quiet, secure workspace and a reliable internet connection with a minimum speed of 3 megabits per second download and 1 megabit per second upload. An Ethernet cable connection is also required, so keep that in mind. This job is perfect if you're just starting your career or looking for a fresh start. There's no degree required, and you don't need prior experience. Marriott's paid training will give you all the skills you need to succeed. Plus, you'll be joining one of the most respected companies in the world, a place where you can truly grow and be part of something bigger. If this sounds like the job for you, don't wait. Head over to Marriott's website to apply. You can also check out their careers homepage, explore their life at Marriott, and discover other positions if you're curious. Finally, if you're interested in more remote job leads, make sure to check out our other videos. We've got plenty of opportunities to help you find the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.